In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show label text in Trello. If you're an avid Trello user, you know how important labels are for categorizing and managing your boards. Sometimes though, you might find it a bit challenging to see the label text at a glance. Don't worry, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the insight you need to make those labels more informative and evident. First things first, let's get you logged into Trello. Head over to Trello.com using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. You'll usually find it at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to a login page where you can enter your credentials. Here you have two options. You can either log in using your email and password, or if you're keen on a quicker access method, you could simply choose to continue with your Google account. If you opt for Google, make sure you're logged into the right account in your browser to avoid any fuss. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Trello homepage. Next up, navigate to the Boards section. This is where you get an overview of the various boards you've created or are a part of. Scroll through and locate the section labelled Your Workspaces. This nifty area houses all your boards neatly categorized. Now it's time to select the board that you want to work with. Click on the board of your choice, a task-oriented masterpiece you've been building over time. After opening the board, look closely as you'll see several cards lined up, representing tasks or items that need to be addressed. Find the specific card that you want to explore. If you have an eye for detail or a mental note of where your card lies, that's great. Once you've pinpointed the card, the next move is to work with the labels. Now here's where the magic happens. Click directly on the label that's already attached to the card you're focusing on. After clicking, voila! The text associated with that label will suddenly pop up, transforming those coloured strips into meaningful tags. This revelation can provide your boards with immediate clarity, especially when you've got a series of cards under different categories. It makes workflow smoother and minimises the guesswork when navigating through multiple tasks. And there you have it, how to effortlessly show label text in Trello. Now you can make better use out of Trello's labelling system and maintain a clear overview of tasks at hand. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of our guides and enhance your Trello experience. Thanks for joining, and happy organizing.